Good morning mga ka-friends. This morning we'll conduct an army dancing exercise. That's what we called bobber. Starting position. Boom! Must cadence execute command. Commence exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, ready. Hut! Session of attention. Move! Alright mga ka-friends, that's all for now. Next morning again. Your ka-friends, SG Cars.